That is your practical. When you are doing practicals, please ask from the teachers. So if we miss anything, then මේ වෙලාවේ තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ practical එකක් කරන්න ඕනේ වෙනම. There's a half an hour practical, mandatory practical, weekly practical is there. Some are coming to practicals, but some are not. Right? For an example, yes, I think Lasea missed some practicals, but she's going to do that. And I saw that the others, yes, Abhinu is coming to the practical, Manuda is coming, I think. There's some few names. So all are coming, yes, all are coming, but some of you missed that. Dilansa, yes, Dilansa also coming. Right? Danoli is coming. And Kevin, did you come? I think you missed some. Right? Okay. Anyway, please come to practicals because that is also very important. That is the place that we give individual attention to you. Right? We will individually help you to do your practicals. That's why we ask you.
I downloaded the app to join to the.
Sorry, I didn't get you, Puta. Can you repeat?
Sir, I download the app, but I can't join with that.
To practicals.
Yes, sir.
What's your name, Puti?
Sandasi.
Sandasi. Okay. Sandasi. So what you can do is when your practical time, can you, now also, anytime, can you send us a screenshot or photo of the app stream? Then we can check what has happened. අපිට බලන්න පුළුවන් එතකොට මොකක් හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවනම්. ෆොටෝ එකක් ගහලා එවන්න ස්ක්‍රීන් එකේ. WhatsApp වලින් එවන්න. එතකොට අපිට ඉෂුව එකක් තියෙනවනම් බලන්න. Okay. Now I just want to ask few questions from you. Right. Now,
sir.
Yes.
Sir, මගේ කම්පියුටර් එකේ පේන්ට් එකේ ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා අර මේ ගණන් පොතේ කොටු රූල් කොලේ වගේ ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා සර් පේන්ට් එකේ ඒක නැති කරගන්න කොහොමද?
view එකෙන්ද දාගත්තේ? view grid line
නෑ සර් ඒක
මේකනේ.
නෑ සර් ඒක මල්ලි මොකක් හරි කරනකොට ඇවිල්ලා.
මේ තියෙන්නේ මේකනේ. මේ මම පෙන්නන එකනේ. නේද?
නෑ ඕක නෙවෙයි සර්.
එහෙනම් rulers ද මේකද?
ඕක තමයි සර්.
ඒක view එකෙන් අයින් කරන්න පුළුවන්. rulers එකෙන් අයින් කරන්න පුළුවන්. grid lines ගිලා ඒක අයින් කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරි?
practical කරන්න team view එකනේ.
team view එකෙන් team view එකෙන් ඇවිල්ලා කරන එක තමයි practical එක. team view වලින් කරනවා AnyDesk එකෙනුත් කරනවා. හරි මට දැන් කියන්න මේවා. So what is this untitled pane? මේකට මොකක්ද අපි කියන්නේ? What is the name of this area? So I'm going to highlight. You have to tell me the name, right?
Title.
Yes. What is the name of this area? The highlighted area? Title bar. Correct. So then I'm going to highlight another thing. Okay. What is the name of this area? The bottom. Yes.
Status bar.
Status bar. So what is here? What is shown here? 819 into 460. What is that? 819 into 460.
Length.
Yes, height and width. It's height and width, but it is given in px. What is px? Height and width normally it should be given in centimeter, millimeter, something, no? But in computer it's given in px. What is px? Px. That is called pixels, right? If you don't know, please remember this, very important. That is called pixels.
Sir, me Photoshop wala එක ඒවා.
Yes. That is called px means pixels, right? Pixels. That's how you measure the stream or images. That's how you measure the stream or images. Px, pixels. How many pixels are there? 819 into? Yes, 819 into 460. Okay. I'll give you a small calculation, right? I'll give you a very small calculation. Okay. Assume that in a picture, you got.
Sir, need to write? No.
Yeah, better if you can write, because this is extra thing, right? This is extra thing. This is not related to your school syllabus, but still important. In a picture, you got, let's say, 4,000 into 3,000 pixels. So what is the total?
Oh. සර් මේ මම ස්ක්‍රැච් එකේ ප්‍රොෆයිල් එකක් චේන්ජ් කරනකොටත් අපිට පෙන්නන පික්සල්ස් කියලා ප්‍රමාණයක්.
Yes, pixels හැමතැනම තියෙනවා පුතේ. screen එක සම්බන්ධ වෙන හැමතැනම තියෙනවා. So what is the total? මේ පැත්තට තියෙනවා 4,000ක්, උස අතට 3,000ක් තියෙනවා. What is the total? Can you tell me the total? Anyone? Yes? What is the total? So assume that, okay, forget this. Yes? How to calculate this? Okay, think that you have 4 pixels and 3 pixels. Okay, 4 into 3 pixels. Then what is the total?
Sir, 12 million.
Yes, what is the total then? You got 4 pixels with 3 pixels height. What is the total?
12.
12. Correct.
12.
12 pixels. Okay, in a picture, you got 4,000 pixels and 3,000 pixels. Then what is the total? 12. You have to write 3 zeros from here. Yes.
12 million.
12 million. This is the value. 12, then 3 zeros from here, 3 zeros from here. So altogether 12 million. So we call this 12 million pixels. What is that? Have you seen this in cameras? Phone වල එහෙම තියෙනවා දැකලා තියෙනවද? Mobile phone වල එහෙම ගහලා තියෙනවා. What is that? 12 megapixels. අහලා තියෙනවද නේද? 12 megapixels. In cameras, 12 megapixels. So in your mobile phone also you can check. Sometimes in your mobile phone, in the back side it mentioned. නැත්තම් ඔය කඩවලල කියන්නේ phone එක ගන්නකොට this phone is like 24 megapixel, this phone is 48 megapixel, this camera is 12 megapixel, this camera is 14 megapixel, this camera is 8 megapixel. It says like that, no? That is the total count of pixels. The method here also you have pixels, no? 819 460. In the pictures also you have pixels, right? So that is called megapixel value. Okay, that is something extra, so no need to write down. But if you really like pictures, photography, mobile phone photography, or whatever, so that is the megapixel value. How many pixels are there? Okay, you have sent me the chat. The multiplication, right? Okay. Altogether is 12 megapixels, right? Good. Right, okay. So the next thing, okay, I just want to see, now you know this one, this one. What is this? What is this part? May part එක මොකක්ද? Can you tell what is? No, this one. This one.
Scroll bar.
Scroll bar. Why it is used?
To scroll.
Scroll. Why we need to scroll?
That.
Because if this document, for an example, think that this document is lengthy, this picture or whatever, this is lengthy, like this. Length of this picture is high. Then you have to scroll and see the content. That's why scroll bar is there. Here, then you can see what is in the top, what is in the bottom. Let me open a picture and show you. I'm going to open a picture, file, open. And I'm going to open a picture in, I think now you can remember where what is the picture folder, main picture folder. Can you remember? See, I have given. Yes. What is that? Matakane, right? What is that? See Windows web wallpaper. Can you remember? Right, that's what. So it is in this PC. You have to go inside C drive, C, then Windows, then web, then wallpaper, then string. Okay, let's open a photo. Now you can see this picture is lengthy. I have to scroll down to see the content here. And horizontally also, I have to scroll to see what's there. Then I can see the content. That's why scroll bars are useful. Can you tell me the picture size in pixels? Can you tell me the picture size in pixels? It's here, it's here. See, it's here. Here you can see.
3,840
divided by 2,160.
Yes. Then you can think about the camera, right? Then you can tell about the camera which is used to take on that. So that is to do that, you have to use the calculator. And using calculator, you have to multiply this, right? 3,840 multiplied by 2,160, and this is the value. It is 8 megapixel camera which is used to take this picture. So you can tell like that. මේක අරන් තියෙන්නේ 8 megapixel එක 8 megapixel camera එකකින් කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ කාගේ හරි අම්මලා තාත්තලා ළඟ cameras තියෙනවද? Is anyone having cameras? DSLR cameras, digital cameras? Oh, yes. You have mobile phone camera, no? You have camera in your mobile phone, right? You can take a picture and put it into your computer and open that in MS Paint. And you can calculate the megapixel value of your phone. Can you do this?
laptop එකේ කැමරාව තියෙනවා.
Oh, හරි. ඔයාට ඊළඟ දවසේ මේ වැඩේ කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? You can take a picture from your phone. Phone එකෙන් photo එකක් ගන්නවා. ඒක දානවා computer එකට. Computer එකට දාලා ඒක paint එකෙන් open කරලා බලනවා. එතකොට පෙන්නනවනේ pixel ගාන. Then you can multiply using calculator. And then you can tell your mother or father, අම්මේ, this is the megapixel value of this camera. නේද? එහෙම කියන්න පුළුවන් නේ. ඕකේ පිටිපස්සේ ගහලා තිබ්බට ඕකේ megapixel value එක මෙච්චර තමා කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. Right? You can try this, right, at home as a research.
Is it high? Is it quality? Is it font quality?
Yes, when it is high, it's qualitier, right? When it is high, the quality is really high, right? Okay, there's a picture in the internet taken by this high megapixel camera. Let me share this and finish the lesson for today. Okay, that picture is actually, let's say, very high resolution picture. So this is, wait, I'll show this. Right, you can go to this website. You can go to this website, pixels.com. This is, I'm sharing this, right? I'm sharing this. This is one thing. Let me share the link to you. You can just copy this link and go to the website and see, right? Next day. This is called, okay, sorry. So this is, let's copy the link. This is one thing. Next day, see these pictures and come. Those are very high resolution pictures. And the second one is this one. This is called gigapixel. Gigapixel links. එතකොට ඔයාලා බලන්න කොච්චර zoom කරන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා මේ picture. zoom කරන්න පුළුවන් ප්‍රමාණය බලන්න මේක ඇතුළට ගිහිල්ලා කොච්චර තියෙනවද කියලා. You can test this next day and come. Right? I have sent the links. Right? You can see the link. Okay, next day we'll discuss about the remaining things. Okay, for today, let's finish the lesson with this. Right, next day, please see this and come.
Excuse me, sir, 1 minute.
Yes.
My PowerPoint, Word, and Excel is not working. They are signing to set up Office.
I think mainly the problem is activation problem. Mainly the problem is activation problem. We can check it when you do the practical next day, Pute, right? Don't actually miss the practical this time. When you are doing the practical next day, please let me know. I'll log into your machine and see, right, what has happened. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good night then. Bye.
Good night, sir. Thank you.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.